Welcome back to the channel. My name's Ardil and today's video is all about 3 upgrades that we've carried out on this BMW M4 competition. So let's begin with what we've done. So firstly, we've done the Ghost Immobiliser, and then we've also done a dash camera solution, and then we've also added in the SmartTOP system, which basically allows the roof to open and close from your key without having to get inside, turn ignition on, and then closing your roof like that. So it's a really cool little add-on. Firstly, let's go through the dash cam. So we've got the Thinkware U3000 dash cam sitting really nice and neatly at the front here. You've got the polarizing lens on there to stop any glare issues, and it looks incredibly neat and tidy on this car. It sits into this little cubby hole just here nicely, and then it's a physical cable run that goes alongside manufacturer wiring all the way along the top, down the A-pillar, and then into a separate independent battery system. And that is the really important part. It means that you've got no drain on your vehicle's battery at all, but still ensuring you've got parking mode enabled on the camera system. It allows you to have obviously protection while on the move. Obviously for all the idiots that are on the road, you're protected that way, but also what you've got is the parking mode facility. So as soon as the vehicle is off, what happens is that turns in and powers from the actual battery itself, and in essence you've got kind of all-round security, obviously parked and driving, which is really nice, especially peace of mind, especially when you've got a gorgeous car like our client does here with this M4 comp. So you've got an app solution to basically connect up to the camera itself. Really easy to use, very simple. All it is you basically, the only reason you actually need access to that is to access footage or to change any settings. But on handover, we set that all up for you as well with you and show you how it all works. It's very much about in terms of our client experience, about handing over a car properly, which you will again do with this client. But this system has actually been removed from our client's previous car, and if you head over to our Cambridge Car Audio YouTube channel, there will be a video live at some point. Might already be live or not, but I don't know. But what will actually happen is what we did, we actually removed this dash camera from his old BMW and now moved it over to this car, which is really cool, and as well with the full sound system. So that video is all on the Cambridge Car Audio channel. In terms of the camera solution, like I just mentioned, they can be moved from car to car. So it's a bit of an investment, and that is why most people go down the route of a decent camera solution like this. So that's the dash camera, really neat and tidy. The battery's hidden away, you don't see anything else other than the actual unit and a very small amount of cable, but from driver's seat you can hardly see that at all. Next thing then is the Ghost Immobiliser. Probably many of you have heard of this product before. It's a really good security device. I use it on my own BMW M5. It literally works. It's very simple. You get in the car, you start the car, you enter a unique pin sequence via factory buttons, nothing added on, nothing visible at all. Keeps that interior of the M4 comp looking stunning. And you enter a code between 4 to 20 button presses, and what happens is you press that, and then what happens is the car will then be able to go into drive and you're good to rock and roll. So very simple. It's also got a service mode feature as well, which is really nice. You've also got the option and ability on this system to be able to have, in essence, a service mode. So you can drop the car off at a local main dealership and they can work on the car. You don't need to supply them with your code. Again, safety measures are taken in place to override that, just in case they wanted to drive to Edinburgh or whatever. You've got safety features overriding it. Again, all done on our handover to you, but a really good security upgrade for these cars because they're incredibly nickable, especially with all the keyless entry technology that is on all these new cars. So now it's time to show you the SmartTOP system and how that works. So in the UK, our weather is absolutely shocking. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's raining, a bit like today. So it's really convenient, rather than having to go inside the vehicle, press and hold a button, it's really convenient just to be able to, like you do automatically closing your windows from your key, but now automatically closing your roof. Yes, it is a cool and a first world problem, but a cool gadget nevertheless. Basically from the factory key, all you do is you press and hold it until your boot starts basically opening, and then you can release, and it then will carry on its process in terms of closing that roof for you without having to go into the car, without having to turn ignition on, without having to do basically too much work. A real first world problem, but it is a cool upgrade. So automatic, all locked up, closed and locked. And then same again, might be a nice sunny day. As you're walking up to your car, you might want to let it cool down a little bit. So all you do is exactly the same. Press and hold that unlock button, let the roof mechanism start on there, and then you can release, and then off it goes. It will carry on its business to drop its roof down, and you can enjoy that beautiful M4 competition. But overall, hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video. You've seen 3 really cool upgrades on this M4 competition, and make sure you guys head over to the Cambridge Car Audio YouTube channel, subscribe on there, because you guys will get notified when we launch the sound system video on this vehicle, because that is well worth waiting for. I look forward to seeing you soon.